Happy birthday, our dear Princess Ellie. We can't believe that you are 1 year old today. We wish you a lifetime of happiness, good health, and growth with Jesus at the center of your life. Know that we are so happy that you are with us today, and remember that we love you so much.
Hi, our little miracle turns one today. Happy birthday, our sweet one, Ellie. Always know that we are here to support all your dreams. We love you.
Happy first birthday, Bibi Ili. I wish Bibi Ili that maging God-fearing child ikaw, no? And then everything will follow if she is a God-fearing child. So mangin masinulondon nga bata, mangin obey sa iya nga mga parents, and especially sa mga lulas and lolo.
Happy first birthday, Eliana Elise. You may be small, but I know that you fill our hearts with so much fun, love, and joy. Can't wait to see all the amazing things you'll do as you grow. Have a wonderful day filled with fun and giggles. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, baby Ellie, and I wish you all the best. And all the wish will come true. Be a God-fearing daughter. And we will miss you. Babalik ka na ng Canada. And always remember, we love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday.
Hi, baby Ellie. Happy birthday. I wish you to grow beautiful and healthy always. I want you to know that I'm always here for you. We love you and happy first birthday again.
To the bundle of joy who's turning 1 today, an adorable baby like you deserves nothing but love and happiness. And may your life always be this fulfilling. Happy birthday, baby Ellie. We love you so much.
To my palangga nga apo, happy birthday. First birthday, may you may grow healthy and beautiful always. I want you to know that Wuwa and Buwo is always here for you. We love you.
Today is a celebration of Thanksgiving and a wonderful life of a little girl who is now turning into 1. And I know all of you are here today have a special place sa heart ni mommy and daddy and played an important role sa life ni baby for the past wonderful year. Everyone, we are here at Havana Premier Events Iloilo. I am Carol Vior. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the wonderful birthday celebration of Eliana Elise. Palakpakan naman dyan. Now, it's time to have fun and celebrate. But my question is, are you all ready and excited? Come on, just say yes with energy. Are you ready? How about the adults? Sabay-sabay tayo lahat. Are you ready? If you're ready, they are also ready to join us here in front. Everyone, magsitayo po tayo lahat. Let us all stand as we welcome the main highlight of the celebration together with Mommy Charm and Daddy Sid. Please welcome our birthday girl, Eliana Elise. Once again, palakpakan naman dyan for the proud parents and baby Eliana. Once again, a big round of applause, please. Eliana, Elise, a big round of applause, please. Thank you so much for joining me, welcoming our baby girl. You may take your seat, everyone. Hello, mommy and daddy. Talk about baby Eliana, anay una. And my first question is, ano gidya ang full name, kag nickname ni baby Eliana? Sige, mommy, go. Eliana Elise. May nickname ba si baby?
Nickname is Ellie.
Ellie, ayan. And we all know, ang papangalan sang bata, hindi basta-basta. Isa ginabaisan, ginaawayan, may araman nga mutual decision. Can you please share to us, di naghalin ang Eliana and Elise, kag ko may meaning ano ina? Do ginahatag si Iwang microphone, Daddy. Eliana first, let's
For the information of everybody, Eliana means God has answered, and Elise is God's promise.
wow! Eliana is God.
God has answered.
God has answered, and Elise as God's promise. So it's more on godly and biblical reasons.
Yeah, we've waited for her for like 7 years.
10 years naman ni Mami. 7 years, ayan. 7 years. So, as God's promise, she is the answer. Ayan. Palakpakan naman dyan. What a beautiful name. Indeed, God is very, of course, very promising, no? And He answered in a right time. And Eliana is the right time. Mami, ko ma-recall mo, ano nga date mo siya? Today ba is the birthday mismo ni baby? Ayan.
No, yesterday is the birthday.
Yesterday, so late celebration lang.
Actually, today in Canada,
Ayun! Kagin bata, din bata si baby actually.
Canada.
Canada, din sa Canada, mami.
In Winnipeg.
Winnipeg. So what time? Canada time, kung ma-recall mo, and pilaya wait?
Canada time, 4:04 a.m. Then weight is 1,895 grams.
1,800
895 grams.
Wow, 1,805 grams. So, Canada, on time pa naman siya sa Pilipinas.
Yes,
Tama?
yeah.
So, again, happy birthday, baby. O, last question na lang. Kaya na-promise na kamo ni God, ka may answer na. Ang pamangkot, pila ka bilog pag ang plano nga kids ni mommy and daddy in the future. If may ara, okay lang. Mami, go. Plan lang or gusto. Kung kamo pagustuhan. Ay, basi 5 pa. 5 pa daw, mami. Imoy pila. It depends. Depende sa blessing si Lord. Pero may first word na ba si baby? First word. Wala pa. Pero daddy, kay given naman nga baby girl, si baby Elise, pamangkot, ano ang namana sa imo ni baby? Physically, traits, or any? At this early stage. O si mami, masabat.
Obvious ba, the face?
The face. Si Mami na sa the face. Thank you so much for sharing to us, of course, some basic informations about our little girl. And everyone, we all know the love of family is always and will always be God's greatest blessing. Hambal ganit nila, we can have several friends, classmates, and social circles, but there's only one family that is willing and ready to welcome us all no matter what. So speaking of family, to welcome us all for the first birthday sa iyang lovely daughter, palapakan naton, Daddy Sid. Once again, everyone, for the welcome message, palapakan naton, the handsome father of our celebrant, Daddy Sid.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our little princess' first birthday party. We're thrilled to celebrate this special milestone with all of you, our loved ones. Today, we gather to cherish the memories of our baby girl's first year and look forward to many more adventures together. Please join us as we mark this precious moment in our daughter's life. Enjoy the festivities, indulge in sweet treats, and shower our baby girl with love and blessings. We're grateful for your presence and can't wait to share this special day with you. Thank you for being part of our journey. Feel free to modify it to fit your personal style. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. And I welcome you all to our daughter's birthday party and hope you enjoy. Thank you.
There you palakpakan naman dyan. Thank you so much, Daddy, for welcoming us all. And of course, let's not also to forget to thank our Lord God and bless the food. Let us all stand and to lead the prayer. Palakpakan to lead the prayer, we have here Mommy Charm.
Dear Heavenly Father, we gather today to celebrate a precious gift, our beloved baby girl's first year of life. We thank you for the joy, laughter, and love she's brought to our family and friends. As we mark this special milestone, we ask for your continued blessings and guidance. Help us to nurture her growth, foster her curiosity, and support her dreams. We also lift our gratitude for the loved ones gathered here today. Bless each one with your joy, love, and peace. May our time together be filled with cherished moments, warm memories, and heartfelt connections. May this day be a celebration not just of our baby girl's life, but also of the love and community that surrounds her. May we all be blessed by your presence and filled with your joy. We pray this in Jesus' name, Amen.
What's your name?
Jester.
Jester. Wala maging chance ang kids, di ba? Jester. Kano-ano mo si baby Iliana or the parents? Can you please stand to be acknowledged? Ayan.
Hinablo sa...
Tingnan ka pa, Morsa, kagida ma. Akik-akik, kag inablos mo daw.
Hinablo sa pakaisa.
Inablos sa pakaisa. O ang question, nga wala mo gin patapos, diin gin bata ang manager sang Havana Premier Events. O, sige, go. Joke lang. Diin, gin bata si baby Iliana Elise.
Sa Winnipeg.
Wow, may notes.
Wala. Sa Winnipeg, Manitoba.
Winnipeg?
Manitoba.
Ayan, Canada. And congratulations, you have your prize. There you I-queens ang volume sa mic, please. What's your name?
Kifi Zyler.
What's the answer? Pila ang weight ni baby sa ginbata siya ni mommy?
1,085 grams.
1,085? Final? One more. Hindi, mami, hindi pa kusi ang bata. Wala ba? Sige go. 1,000?
1,000.
Lapit na lang.
1,000.
Nagsaka pag... 1,000?
995.
1,895. And that is correct. Ayan, congratulations. Here your prize. Isa lang. Adam, ano ang meaning sa name nga Elise?
God and a promise.
Na promise. Liwat, kaluhan ta. Ano ang meaning sa name nga Elise? Go. So, si nanay ang na-stress. Wait lang, get. Go.
God and a promise.
God's promise. And that is correct. Ayan, palakpakan. What's your name first? Sorry. Kintara, anong oras git bata si baby Elise?
4:04 p.m. PM.
Ano ba, isay pa? Aliwat ka na ka-chance. 4:04?
PM.
Ay, PM, hindi yata tatlo na. Aliwat, one last chance. 4:04?
PM.
Ay, PM, ged. PM daw eh. Stress na si nanay.
AM.
AM. Liwat, what's your answer? Go.
AM.
4:04?
AM.
AM. That's correct. Congratulations. You have your prize. A big one. What do you want? The big lollipop. Next trivia question. Ready? Baby kay daddy. According kay mommy. Go. Face. And that is correct. Ayan. Choose one. What do you want? Chocolate toys or wafer? Hala. Choose one. Go. The big one. Ayan. Next. And pretty girl. What's your answer? Ano daw ang meaning nga name nga Eliana?
God has answered.
God has answered. And that is correct. Congratulations. Choose one. What do you want? The toy. Congratulations. For the one last, ano mo ang parents?
Si Charmen, best friend ko.
Best friend mo si?
Charmen.
Si Mami.
Yes.
Sige. Pila pa kabilog ang plano nga bata ni Daddy?
Polo ko, no?
5. And that is correct. Ayan, congratulations. Thank you so much for joining sa first day. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our view is 9 and 15 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday, Eliana!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 15 seconds. Wow. Duwa ka 15, isa ka 9. Makasulot ka sa top 3, dapat more than 9 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and go!
Happy birthday, Liana!
13 seconds. Ayan, very good. So we have 15 and 13 as our top 3. Next year, dapat more than 13 or 15 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Lipat chan mo sa microphone, friend. Ayan. Sound check. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Eliana!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. May vibrato pa, 27 seconds. Ay, grabe. Kuya, Lito Boy. Delang kid. Forward and I forward. Dapat more than 15 seconds para may prize. The top one is 27 seconds. Ready? Check your mic. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Liana!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. May part. Isa pa? One more pa? Isa pa? Ayaw. One more. Luwat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Liana!
10 seconds. Very good, little boy. Next. Tol, ikaw na next. Ready? Dapat more than 15 seconds para makasulod sa top 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 seconds. Ayan. Okay na. And our last one. Ready? Forward to the center. All you need to do is to shout, Happy birthday, Eliana. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Liana!
19 seconds! Wow! So we have...
Meet again, wearing all the faces. Talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. Are they to know? Someday they meet again and live for more. The reminiscing. Maybe this time, if we be loving, they find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, love won't end. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one that way back when they were too young to know when our love is real. But somehow some things never change. A new time has grown the flame, turning even brighter than it did before. Got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time, if we belong, then they find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, love won't end. She's but she's still way back then. Still like she's feeling way back when they tried. Something got them waiting for this magic moment. Oh, maybe this time, if we be loving, they find. Maybe now they can be
like it wasn't a thing. I'm gonna push it harder, gonna climb up higher. It's like I just can't miss. I was made for this. I show the world I'm stronger. Prove it to 'em I'm a fighter. I can't help but win. I was made for this. I was made for this. I can't help but win, yeah. Just try and stop me. I'm gonna push it harder, gonna climb up high. Stay right here and don't be shy. I have you time traveling, have your mind babbling. People trying to inherit the skills, so they asking me. Even David Blaine had to go and take some classes in. I see mind freak like, what's up, man? What's happening? So come on and come on and see the show tonight. Prepare to be astounded, no ghost or poltergeist. You know I'm no Pinocchio, I never told a lie. So call me Mr. Magic Man, I float on cloud nine. I got the magic in me. I got the magic, baby. Every time I touch that track, it turns into gold. Yes, it turns to gold. Everybody knows I got the magic in me. I got the magic, baby. When I hit the floor, the girls come snapping at me. Baby, snapping, baby. Everybody wants a blast of magic, 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 ooh, I got the magic in me. We'll take a journey into my mind. You'll see why it's been in my rhyme. Stay on the road, so I call my mama when I got time. I hit the stage, go insane, and jump into that crowd. See when I rhyme, I flow, wanna beat like put it that. See, I deceive you with my intergalactic ether. I sing just like Aretha, so respect me like I'm Caesar. I kick it like Adidas, blowing sticky like adhesive. Be cautious, cause what I be gonna leave you with amnesia. I break all the rules like Evo Knievel. It's a spectacular show, cause my heart pumps diesel. So whatever you saying, it don't entertain my ego. I do this every day, hocus pocus is my stilo. Magic in me. I got the magic, baby. Every time I touch that track, it turns into gold. Yes, it turns to gold. Everybody knows I got the magic in me. I got the magic, baby. When I hit the floor, the girls come snapping at me. Baby, snapping, baby. Everybody wants a blast of magic, 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 oh. I got the magic in me. I got the magic in me. Cause I'm in the stars tonight.
Alright, sino pa gusto magic? Who want more? Ayan, no more. Joke lang po. Alright, this time before I start, okay, let me do this once again myself. Okay, kids and everyone, my name is Kuya Ace. I'll be your magician for this afternoon. Okay, si Kuya Ace, isa ka member sa Street Magic Love Iloilo and Iloilo Brotherhood of Magicians. And ang pinakaunang nga magician nga nag-intra sa Pilipinas Got Talent. Palakpakan bisang pasakay patunon ko gid. Ayan, thank you. And si Kuya Ace man ang pinakauna-unang nga magician nga wala gin baton. So, alright. Joke na. Alright, and this time, for my next magic trick ni Kuya Ace, remind us once again to all the kids to please remain seated when I'm performing, okay? For my next magic trick is very, very dangerous and very difficult magic I perform ko. Alright, again, mga kids, just take your seat and enjoy the magic show. Thank you. Ready, kids? This is called the appearing and disappearing rabbit magic. Watch. Ready, watch carefully. Don't blink, be amazed. Ready, 1. The appearing rabbit. 2. Are you ready? Already, watch carefully. Don't blink. Ready, 1. 2, and 3. Yes! Palakpakan! Amazing! Very difficult magic. Wow! Alright, this time, kids, watch carefully. I will make the rabbit disappear. Watch. Don't blink. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Yes! Wow! Amazing! Palakpakan! Wow! Ano? Wala ko kinabaliskad. Wala. O, liwaton ko Oh, watch carefully, don't blink. I will make the rabbit appear again. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Yes! Wow! Wala. O ano sa likod? What's at the back? Wala. Meron. Meron dove. O, di ba? Alright. Okay. Ano sa likod? Rabbit. Okay, ang magic ni Kuya Ace, wala na yadaya. Gamay lang. Alright, once again, kids, just take a seat. Alright, ready? Alright, everybody, hip hip! Ayan, sino gusto rabbit? Raise your hand. Ayan, bakal ka mo sa itriyong damot. Alright, and this time, we have a special guest. Alright, but first let me ask the kids, who is watching Cocomelon? Sino familiar sa Cocomelon? Raise your hand. Our special guest is one of the characters from the TV show Cocomelon. Is here. Ready na siya? Alright, kids, pwede ka makapapicture sa iya, okay? Ready na? Alright, I give her... Okay, ready na siya? Ayan. Okay, everybody count down. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please clap your hands for JJ. Clap your hands.
Every time I touch that track, it turns into gold. Everybody knows I got the magic.
Ari sa tubang. Ayan. Okay. Ari sa tubang, wala sa likod. Okay, before kami mag-start, may konting disclaimers lang po. Hindi siya kabalo mag-ilonggo kag maghiligay nun. Tagalog at English lang ang nabalaan niya nga language. And before kami mag-start, gusto ko lahat ng mga kids mag-hi sa best friend ko. Everybody please say hi! Best friend. Best friend. Huy. Mag-hi ka sa kids, okay? O, sabihin mo, hi! Hello? Ha, uy! Say hi to the kids, okay? O, say hi! Hello? Uy! Mag-hi ka, sabihin mo, hi! Go! Dapandangi unggoy. Hindi sila mga unggoy, mga bata yan. Okay, bago tayo magsimula, batiin mo silang lahat. Tano? Okay, sabihin mo sa kanilang lahat, kamusta po kayo? Okay lang. Ang sabihin mo, kamusta po kayo? Nadutinonan. Ang sabihin mo, kamusta po kayo? Ayos lang. Ano ba? Nakakahiya ka. O ito na lang. Ano? Sabay tayo. Okay? Okay. Okay. Ka, ha, mus, nos, ta, po kayo, okay lang. Ano ba? O ito na lang sabihin mo, magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Yun lang. Go. Ha? Magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Yun lang. Go. Bow. Di pa tayo tapos. Ang sabihin mo, magandang tanghali. Okay. Concentrate. Okay. Concentrate. Okay. Ano yung ginagawa mo? Naibutiki. Walang butiki dyan. Toko. Concentrate. Alam ko na. Alam mo na yung pangalan mo? Oo. Ano yung pangalan mo? Concentrate. Ano ba? Ako na lang magpapakilala sa'yo. Okay? Okay. Okay, kids and everyone. This is one of the characters from the TV show Coco Melon. Please clap your hands for JJ the Puppet. Palakpakan for JJ. Ayan. Now! Uy, anong ginagawa mo? O ito na lang. Ano? Ipakita mo sa lahat-lahat dito na matalino ka. Ano? What is your favorite subject? Math. Okay, ang topic na sa math is very easy. Ano? Fractions. Easy. Yabang ah. Okay, addition lang para madali. Okay? Okay. Oh, ready ka na? Ready na? Okay, ready. Ano ang tawag mo sa isang buong papel? One whole. Ay, ang galing ah. Okay, yung one whole, hinati ko sa gitna. Anong tawag doon? Chop, chop. Anong chop, chop? One whole, hinati ko sa gitna. Anong tawag doon? One half. Very good. Hinati ko pa. One third. Hinati ko pa. One eighth. Ang galing ko. O ito mas mahirap. Ano? Hinati ko pa, 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 at hinati ko pa. Anong tawag doon? Basura. Uy, hindi. Ay. Ibang subject, ano? History. Ay, nagaling ako dyan. Okay, history tayo, history. Ano ang pambansang hayop ng Pilipinas? Ikaw! Hindi ko hayop. Ano ang pambansang hayop ng Pilipinas? Okay, clue. Ano? Nagsisimula sa letter K. Kuto! Anong kuto? Maliit yun. Pataw, ang pangit. Mag-sorry ka. Sorry, ang pangit mo. Huy. Kundol, patola, otot. Ano ba? Ay, kumakain, ayusin mo. Sorry to. O, proceed. At saka meron pa. Wala na. At saka meron pa. Udos na. Ayoko na. O, ito na lang. Batiin mo yung birthday celebrant natin. Bakit? Birthday na ngayon. Talaga? Oo. Siyang pangalan. O, ayan sa likod. Basahin mo. Ayan si Eliana Elise. Ayan. Nasaan siya? Ayan siya, o. O, sabihin mo, Eliana, happy birthday. Hoy, gising. Wag, iiyak. Batiin mo lang ng happy birthday, okay? Okay. O, sabihin mo, Eliana, Eliana. O, sabihin mo, happy birthday. Gutom na ako. Kakain tayo mamaya. Batiin mo muna. Go. Okay. O, go. Eliana. O, sabihin mo, happy birthday to you. Ayusin mo naman. Sige na, go. Seryoso na, go. Eliana. O, sabihin mo, Happy birthday! Eliana, happy birthday! Ayan, saglit lang. Bakit? May birthday wish ako kay Eliana. May birthday wish ka para kay Eliana? Oo, nanan! Okay, what is your birthday wish to Eliana? Simple lang. Ano? Eliana, stay healthy lang at ilayo lang sa sakit and always try to God. Wow! Palakpakan naman para kay Eliana. Clap your hands. Lakasan nyo! Lidri tagkain, nahina yung talaktak, nahiya kayo. Uy, bakit ka galit? Magpasalamat ka sa parents. Bakit? Dahil kung hindi dahil sa kanila, wala tayo dito. Talaga? Oo. Saan? Oh, ayun si Mami. O, sabi no, Mami, thank you. Go, Mami, thank you. Weh. Di nga. Bakit? Kilala ko yan eh. Kilala mo yan? Oo, artista yan. Talaga? Oo. Sino yan? Marian Rivera. Hindi yan si Marian Rivera. Ano ka ba? Huwag mong bulahin si Mami. O, kung magpasalamat ka na lang, go. Sabihin mo, Mami, Nani. O, sabihin mo, thank you. Dukas na nan. na bukas. Pahinga na bukas. Go. Nani, thank you din na sa invitation. Ayan. Kay Daddy naman. Nasaan? Nasaan si Daddy? Daddy! Nasaan ka? Sunuko ka na! Natategili ka na, Nani! Ayusin mo. O, ayun si Daddy, o, naka-stripes. Ayan. O, sabihin mo, Daddy, thank you. Sigurado ka? Daddy ni Eliana yan? Oo, Daddy niya yan. Nakanta ni Eliana, ay, kilala ko yan! Kilala mo din? Oo, artista din yan! Nakikita ko sa Netflix. Wow! Sino yan? Ding Dong Dantes. Uy, hindi yan si Ding Dong. Ang togi kasi. Magpasalamat ka, go! Daddy! O, sabihin mo, thank you, I love you. Magpasalamat ka, go. Daddy, thank you din sa invitation. Ayan. Huwag mong lolokohin si Mami at si Daddy, masama mang loko ng tao, okay? Kailangan silang lokohin. Bakit? Dagdagan yung dayad. Uy, 500 lang oh. Uy, tik lang. Uy. Ang kulit. O, ito na lang. Bago tayo umuwi, magpaalam na lang muna tayo sa mga bisita, especially sa mga bata. Okay? Okay, paano? Tawagin mo silang lahat. Sabihin mo, mga bata, mga unggoy. Uy, ayusin mo naman. Go, o sabihin mo, mga bata, mga gorilya. Ano ba? O ito, dami mga parents dito, tawagin mo silang lahat. O sabihin mo, mga parents, mga senior citizen. Ano ba? O last na lang, magbigay galang ka sa mga lola. Madami mga lola dito. Talaga? Oo. O sabihin mo, mga lola, mga narites. Ano ba? Ayoko na. O ito na lang, magpa-picture na lang tayo sa mga bata. Pwede ba? Pwede. Okay, all the kids come here. Let's take a picture with JJ the Puppet. Go. All the kids come here. Go, go, go. Ayan. Hi! Hello! Ay, ang Togi! Togi! Sige na! Ayan. O, ayan. Ay, ni Daddy! O, ready and smile! And everybody, waki pose. Waki, waki, waki. 1, 2, 3, and waki! Ah! Uy, huwag mong takutin. 3, and bow. Ganun lang. Okay? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and ayoko. Tapos na tayo. Sige na, go. 1, 2, 3, and bow. Huy, isang ganun lang. 1, 2, 3, and bow. Okay, please clap yes once again for JJ the Puppet. Palakpakan. Ayan, tapos na tayo. Pagod na ako. Diyan ka sa basurahan. Ayan. Ang daho dito ah. Diyan ka. Ayan.
Sige, ayun lang here. Let's check. Ayan, we have one winner. What's your name? Ano ngalan? Adam. Okay, so ni cellphone. Pala si Mama Isla niya ng tempered glass. Coins or sinsilyo. Bumabali ang kabusang bata. 50 pesos, pero dapat puro coins. Puro coins. Oh, here. 50 isip pa. 20, 25, 30. Go. Alcohol bottle. Wala unod or empty. Wala unod. Wala unod. Oh, that's the twist. Baby. Alcohol bottle na wala unod. Alagin sa ilo. Sige. Sige, ano. Waiting. Alcohol bottle na wala unod. Come on. Ayan. Let us check. What's your name? Congratulations on your prize. Ano po na si Timmy Boy? Di na! Natula! Di na to! Ayan, sige. Congratulations on your prize. Beautiful yan! Pero ako beautiful. Super beautiful ikaw. Congratulations kami. Ang parang ko beautiful yung nanay yun, ikaw mabigtas ako kaligo ng bata. Ayan, kinuto ka bata. Congratulations on your prize. Already last na sa dos mo bata. 2! Tatay! Sino tatay mo? Go for back to tatay! Uy, inyo na tatay? Go for back to isa pa! 3 winners tayo! Isa pa! Duwa lang? Okay, duwa lang. Di na, 5, 4, 3, 2! Sige mo po nga, alam. Okay, saan ating back na name, tatay? Yes, how about you? William. Ikaw, tatay? Johnny. Winners na kamo. But to claim your prize, you need to show us your dance moves. Ready? Uy, tumagihan mo. Hey! Energy, man! Hey! Let's wait for the chorus! Hey! Ready? In 3. Ang chorus, ready? 3, 2, 1, hey! 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 Energy naman! Isa pa! Tika-tika pa? Kaya palakpak ka naman dyan. Thank you so much. We would like to request for turning the lights on, please. Everyone with energy, faster and louder. All right, there you have it, kids. Everyone join me in counting. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blow! There you have it. Let's shout happy birthday, baby, today. Ready? First name. First name, go. Ma'am, kaya today, ma'am? Ikaw na. Go. First name.
Grace, I'm Rika Pearl.
Wow, Rika pala rin. Iba. Next, go. Forward na girl. First name lang. First name.
Faith.
AKA?
Nadine. Ge.
Nadenge. Nadenge. Next. Ikaw kay bida-bida kakaginap ang lawag, tapos kung ikaw na gani, matras ka. Go. First name. Alert. First name.
Lenly.
Lenly, AKA?
Maha.
Maha?
Mark.
Maha? Mablanca. Pero bongga ang likod, pang mahagin man. Ay, iba. Next. First name.
Maria Salvacion.
Maria Salvacion, a.k.a.
Jody Santaman.
Oh, I love feels iba. Next, go. First,
Belle Joy.
a.k.a.
Aka Elena Rigor. Nasaan ang liempo?
From Batang Quiapo. Next, first name.
Harlequin.
Wow, Harlequin din man?
Yes.
A.k.a.
Melissa Ricks.
Ay, pang Star Circle. Next.
I'm Jester.
Just aka?
Ang Sian Lim ng
Wow! Sian Lim. Kamusta ka mo ni Kim? Lucky showbiz. Next, Ari. Tol, namion mo ni Kaulas. Go. First name.
I'm Jefty.
Jeff T, aka? Ano liwat?
AKA Piolo Pascual.
Huy! Piolo Pascual. Nagkaalot mo ka lang sa guya mo, Piolo Pascual na dayon.
Kung wala alam, Daniel Padilla.
Kung wala alam ano?
Daniel Padilla.
Uy! Ay, sige, may pakita tama mga artista moves ninyo. Siyempre, may sautanay ini. Ready? Let's have the Beanie Moves. Music, please. Hey! Energy, come on! Hey! 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 Huy! Hey! Ano na? Ready, come on! Hey! Wala pa kayong mga kamay dyan! Come on! Ano ni folk dance? Energy, come on! Sino? Sino choreographer? Okay, come on, sir. Choreo daw, sir. Ready, come on. Chorus. Ara. Ara, kid. Go. Ita ka lang, girl. Down sa center. Okay. Uy! Ready, come on. Ano na, pa-cute? Choreo, come on. Hey! Uy! Hey! 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 Ready! Sabay-sabay! Stop the music! Stop the music! Gainano, ikaw, Piolo. Taran lang. Gali, what's your name?
Ange.
Ange, a.k.a.
Beanie Ange.
Binayaan. Ayan. Intra ka na lang ni girl, dira ka na. Alert, compress. Ang posisyon niyo sa buong pang-hep-hep hooray. Wow, wala pa ka. Baka palakpak ka. Pero kay gas-gas ng hep-hep hooray, we will change the game too. Siopaw, siomay, suman. O, kamo be? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Anong siomaw? Siopaw! Siopaw, siomay. Siopaw, siomay, suman. Ready? And go! Anong somay? Siomay. Wala somay. Siopaw, siomay, suman. Pero dapat magambal. Siopaw, siomay, suman. Ready? Go! Sumay. Siyempre may action, ina. Siopaw, doa kamot dako. Siopaw. Siomay, kipot gamay. Suman, palaba. O, kamabe, words with action, go! Isa pa, 3, 2, 1, go! Anong chopay? Chopay, kamusta ka na? Ay, sa isahon ta ha. Siopaw, siomay, suman, practice, ready, and go. Energy, siopaw, siomay, suman, go.
Siopaw, siomay, suman.
Oh, sweet girl, suman, pinamangkot, go.
Siopaw, siomay.
Dahil ang siomay, ang mula ni straight, patubang lang, siomay, ang suman lang kapalaba, and go.
Suman. Siopaw.
Sumay. Suman.
Ayan, si Guy ha. Magsala ang pag-pronounce, out na. Magsala ang kamot, out naman. Bawal diri ang loading kag buffering. Dapat mo din 2 seconds, alert na yun makasabat. Ready? Bawal mag-prolong ha, dapat diretso. Bawal sang show, dapat siomay. Ready? Siopaw, siomay, suman, 3, 2, 1, and go!
Siopaw. Siopaw.
Siopaw. Siomay na wala music. Sorry, you're out. Thank you for joining. Ready? Siopaw, siomay, suman, and go!
Siopaw.
Ano ka? Nervyoso. Ay, aga-alert. Sabi ko, malumbag ka. Aliwan. Ready? Siopaw, siomay, suman, and go!
Siopaw. Siomay. Suman. Siopaw. Siomay. Suman. Siopaw. Siomay. Suman. Siopaw. Suman.
Siopaw. Kay ginulaw pa kadlaw. Suma na kami, girl. Ako, move on. Closer, balik. Ready? Siopaw, siomai, suman, 3, 2, 1, and go!
Siopaw, siomai, suman, siopaw. Siomai, suman?
Ang kamot ha, siopaw, dako, siomay, gamay, gatwinkle, twinkle, little star ka mo yan. Siopaw, siomay, suman, ready, 3, 2, 1, and go!
Siopaw. Sumay.
Suman,
Sopaw.
siomai,
Suman. Sopaw.
siomai, suman, siopaw, siomai, suman, siopaw, siomai, suman, siopaw, suman.
Ay! Sorry, siomay palang girl, excited ka. Ayan. Oh, alert, compress. Dapat dasig ka. Siopaw, siomay, suman, 3, 2, 1, go!
Siopaw, siomai, suman.
Uy! Ano ni mahulat pa kami? Dasig, siopaw, siomay, suman, and go!
Siopaw. Somay.
Suman.
Siopaw. Sumay.
Ano sumay? Wala sumay! Out. O, 5 na lang, alert. Kadasig ba? Siopaw, siomay, suman, 3, 2, 1, go!
Siopaw, siomai, suman, siopaw, siomai, suman, siopaw.
Siumay.
Ay, kay sagad, dungangan ta. Siopaw, siomay, suman, sopas. O, 4 na. Alert, ready? 3, 2, okay ka na, girl? Ready, 1, 2, 3, go!
Siopaw.
Siomai, suman, sopas. Siomai.
Siopaw na, friend. Ay, out. Ready? Alert, 1, 2, 3, go!
Siopaw, siomai, suman, supas.
Supas. Tingnan, supas. Sopas lang, day. Okay na lang. Supas. Balik na, day. Okay lang. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go!
Siopaw.
Siomai,
Suman.
sopas.
Ay, sopas na. 3 na lang. Alert. Siopaw, siomay, suman, 3, 2, 1, go!
Siopaw, suma.
Sorry, you're out. Ay, uy, naka-top 2 ka, Piolo. I'm so proud of you. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Kung sino nakatuon ng microphone, ituon ng diretsyo, ha? Ready? Go!
Siomaw.
Ano? Dali lang. Anong siomaw? Ano, out? Wala ka. Anong siomaw? Balik, nanay. Wala maganig na. Ready? Siopaw, siomay, suman, 3, 2, 1, and go!
Siopaw,
Siumay. Suman.
sopas, siopaw.
Siopaw.
Ano sumod? Sorry, you're out. And we have a winner. Congratulations, you have our staff toy here. Ayan. Wow. Last game tayo. Team Daddy versus Team Mommy. Here's kay Mommy. O, Daddy all boys, ikaw all boys.
Jan.
Kantoros mo nga. Why na south tayo ni Dasigon ta? Go. All boys kay Daddy. Sino si John? Wala ka na include sa 5, sir, ha?
Si Angelo.
Angelo, John, come on. Kantoros mo nga.
Si JR.
JR. Sino pa?
Chris.
Si? Chris. 4 pa lang. Ika-5. Pwede ka repeat player if you want kung wala na get lucky nga ma-join. Repeat players tayo. From si Piolo kasi na to. Si Sian. Boys, kanto na sa front. Come on, just for fun. Team Daddy.
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3.
Si Kasjan.
Kasjan, go. Team Daddy. 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, shoot! Uy, wait, naglupok ang balloon. Friend, ang balon ko i-shoot, hindi pa palukpon. Oo. 3, 2, 4, 5, 1, 3, 5. Gaano ka mo, girls? 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 2, 5, 1 plus 2, shoot! Bang! Ay, wala shoot! Ay, Ay, nag-shoot. Dapat sa shoot. Ayun. 4, 3, 2, 4, 5. Ginano ka mo, boys? 1, 5, 2, 3, 4, 100 minus 99. Shoot! Ha, 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 ha! Uy, makatiklod. Madus mo, gani. 1 point for Team Daddy. 2, 1, 5, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2 times 2, shoot! Oh, 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 bang! Answer, 4. 2 points, Team Daddy. 2 points, Team Daddy. 1 point, Team Mami. Ready? Pass number 3. 1, 5, 2, 1, 4. Oy, straight line. Friends, nag-circle na ka mo. 3, 2, 5, 4, 2, 1, 15. Divided by 3. Shoot! Oh, oh, ano answer mo to? Answer is 5. Ayan. 3 points. Team Daddy, dasig ba? Ready? Pass number 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 2, 3, 1, 5, 4, 2, 3, 5. Square root of 16. Shoot! Oh, oh, oh! Ano answer? 4. Ay, 2 points, Team Mommy. Ready, next round. Pass number 3, 2, 1, 5, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 15. Divided by 5. Shoot! Oh, oh, oh. Okay na kami, guys. So, maka-move on na kami. Ay, 4 points, Team Daddy. Ay, sana naka-point na Team Daddy. Winner na sila. Ready? Abot na, girls. Pass mo 3, 2, 1, 5, 2, 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 5. Square root of 4. Shoot! Oh, oh, oh! Ay! Sino na? Dungan? Dungan daw. Sige. Tay. Replay. Okay, let Wolfley. 2, 1, 5, 2, 4, 1, 5, 2, 3, 4, 1. Square root of 25. Shoot! Friend, per day ka kay tatlo mo katikang isa lang iya. Ayan. And 5 points sa Team Daddy. Congratulations for gratitude. Because despite of your busy schedules, despite of the weather, you are all here to celebrate the first milestone ni baby girl. Everyone, to give a thank you message for all of us. Palapakan natin, Mommy and Daddy.
A birthday is a blessing and a gift of life to our baby Ellie, to our dearest, sweet, loving, and adorable baby Eliana Elise. Happy first birthday. You are the most precious gift to all of us, especially to your mommy and daddy. You bring so much joy and happiness to our family. Continue to be a good girl as you grow. Love you, Langga.
All right, thank you so much, Tita.
Hi, baby Ellie. I wish na you will grow as a God-fearing daughter to your mom and dad. And I want you to know that Mama Inday is always here for you. I love you, baby.
All right, thank you so much.
All right. Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Andyan pa ba kayo? Oh, no, ma-host ma ako. Okay. I am honored to be part of this special and momentous occasion, a grandest birthday celebration of Eliana Elise Panis de Chagnao. Okay, so thank you so much, Noy and Cha, for the invitation. And as a family friend, I am grateful and thankful to have the Chagnao and Panis family in my life. Thank you so much, Eloy, Ma'am Kenya, Nong Ronilo, as well as Vinvin, Vani, and Panoy for your friendship, kindness, and generosity. I feel like a PBB housemate because I'm always in and out of their house for almost 25 years. We did great memories, unforgettable experiences. We have our jokes, laughters, and we are still enjoying that strong relationship as neighbors and as a family friend. And because of our special ingredient, which is our Marites session. Hindi ba, Laloy? Well, this afternoon is Ellie's first birthday. Langga, I wish you all the best in life, especially good health, happiness, and the love of this world. You are a diamond in the heart of your parents. Wow. You are blessed, of course, to have a very humble, kind, loving, and caring parents. Abi palakpakan ta si Panoy kag si Cha, okay? And of course, as I heard the name Ellie, I remember the lullaby song. Ellie, Ellie, tulog anay. Ellie, Ellie, tulog anay. Wala diri imunanay. Kadto kay tatay sa Canada. Ili, ili, tulog anay. Ili, ili, tulog anay. Wala diri imunanay. Kadto kay tatay sa Canada. Kay maubra ikadua. Oh, di bala? Wow, Ellie, kapamatigid. Lola, Eloy, Kenya, and Lola. Okay. Alice, daw nagamarites, gidi ka na ako si Ellie. No? Hambal na, ano gani? Gusto na ko, no? Baby boy. Wow! Okay, we wish for that one, of course. Para nga may mga imaw man nga kampang sa Ellie, no? Okay, so once again, Ellie, all the best in your life. God bless, and I love you. Thank you so much.
To everyone who are here today, we would like to say thank you for coming despite of the bad weather. We really appreciate your presence and your presence. So thank you so much, everyone, for coming.
Thank you, everyone, for family and friends, classmates. Hope you enjoy the party and hope to see you next year. Sorry. Thank you so much. We really appreciate your presence. Thank you.
All right, thank you also, Mommy and Daddy, for inviting us all to be part of this first birthday ni Baby Ellie. And of course, wishing you good health para sa iya, or good luck and God bless the next journey nyo with your future kids very soon. Remember always that your family and friends are always here for you, no matter what. Once again, palakpakan po natin the beautiful parents and our beautiful celebrant.
Thank you as well to our suppliers, to our host, to our magician, to photographers, videographers, the search station, the perfume bar, and the venue. Thank you.
Ayan, thank you so much. Once again, palakpakan naman dyan. So before we proceed in distributing the loot bags and giveaways for the kids, if you're looking for event suppliers, thank you, Daddy Kagina. For the food and venue, you can contact Solana and Habana Premier. And for our setup and decor, you can contact Little S Party sa iyang Facebook page. And of course, to capture every moment through pictures and videos, you can contact Skycode Photography. And of course, for the souvenirs, don't forget, sa mga wala pa claims ang perfume, you can proceed sa Find Me's perfume bar. And we still have food and desserts from the Candleland, dessert by Ma'am Nestor Sinoy. And of course, for our photo booth, thank you so much, Smile Machine. And for hosting events, you can contact me, Carol Vior of Terrific Events Iloilo. Kids, one line lang tayo to get your loot bags kay mommy and daddy. One line lang. Adults, you can proceed at the back for your perfume. And before we end this program, everyone, for the one last time today with the energy, let's shout, Happy Birthday, Ellie. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Happy birthday, Ellie. Okay, kids, one line tayo. Thank you so much.